So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I think I will zoom out. This is a painting I have tried to love. I'm pretty sure it was a two-stage process. I'm going to scrap the videos, or if you ask me, I'll post them under the video. But I have a reason I want to play. I have 1, 2, 3. That's probably useless. I think that was a bad one. And one more that I'm not seeing. There it is. I got it. Oh, 2 more. So I've got 5 tools. And I have not used any gold to scrape through. And I want to try it. I don't want to destroy everything. I'd like to keep some of the cool stuff. But I'd really like to try this. Now generally when I'm even priming a canvas, gold does not cover in one. So it's going to be a process, a learning curve, you might say. I'm going to tap that right off on my low-lippy silicone mat as soon as I get rid of that edge catcher. This might be very cool. It might work. I'm hoping it will. It looks like it's possible. I like to pick and choose my scrape spots. I've got smaller spatulas should I decide that that would be a better course of action. I'm kind of looking forward to this. I'm going to leave that gold right there. No, I didn't get all of that, but you know what? I've got a spatula. And I know how to use it. I'm going to try and keep doing this. And so far I haven't seen I've got to sort of level the spatula off if I want an even-ish layer, and I do mean ish. There's no perfection in this process. Not yet anyway. It's almost time to use one of the smaller tools. The large spatula I cut the teeth into myself. Where'd that go? Came off my Amazon link. I just used a little handheld blade. I don't know why I'm fussing. Maybe it's because it's gold. I'm going to grab my larger toothy. I need a dish to tap into. And then hope that'll work. Pick up my gold out of my dish. It looks like it might be going on a little too even. I thought about putting some black in. I might still be interested in doing that. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I could leave some chunks. I kind of like the way that chunk looks there. Yeah, I think that's not a bad idea. I've got one here too. Little chunk, little chunk. I think those are going to qualify as my negative space. I'm going to take some of my gold. Use my spatula. Just to lead it right down there. I'm not sure that's a great idea, but it is what it is. Kind of hoping my luck is going to hold out as far as having a fairly interesting bunch of shapes. Now I have to decide what direction I'm going to go in. Unfortunately, I have this really big thing. Maybe if I turn it upside down, I can use the clean side. And wipe it off. That's kind of interesting. Got to take a chance at getting a little gold on things. Kind of like the overdrag, the overdrag, that's what it's called. I just made that up. I haven't tried adding dots with this. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but I have the will. And I got the paint. Now I have to decide if I'm done or not. Generally speaking, this is Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. And if you've got some left to use, and you're me, you want to use it. Well, I gotta say, I'm not super stoked yet, but I've still got tools. And I've got pink diamond from folk art, I've got pink diamond from color art. That was a terrible mistake. And I do love this color, even if it's kind of sheer, it'll still change the color of what's underneath it. And I am not going to worry. Maybe I'm going to do different colors. I've got some Venetian blue. If it were open, it would be marvelous. Give myself a moment to see if I can open it. I got some, it's breathing a little bit. I want to use the leftover pink in there. So basically the other painting just became the background. And I don't even think I'm going to want or need to scrape through my colors because I like them. I'm being called to turquoise, but I want a darker turquoise than the... I love this turquoise. Why would I not want that turquoise? Because I really, 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 and it's open, I really love my artist loft. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. Yep, I'm liking that. I'm not hating that either. It's not what I expected to do, but if it works, nobody's complaining. So I'm thinking a little more pink here. Actually, what I'm thinking, stop making your head spin, is more pink here. Or in this case, a combination of colors because I didn't clean my spatula well enough. Oopsie. So I can still do that. Clean my spatula, I mean. Alright, I want some orange. I don't want to use any of that color that I've got. It's going to show through the pattern behind it, but that's okay. That's not the color I want. Maybe I just want some gold. Maybe I should do the black thing I was thinking about. I could do white. Not as sure about that as I was a minute ago. And I put my blackish finger down on the paint. Oh well. Might as well just go for it. Since I already did it. See if I can be a little more gentle this time. I don't actually want to wipe out much of anything here. But I'm pretty sure a bunch of it will show through. So I'm going to do it anyway. And that, as they say, is that. Pretty well anyway. I'm not sure. Not 100% yet. Try not to knock the bottles over. I'm going to try a little tiny bit. Yeah, I like the orange. It's a fiery red from Arteza. Didn't like that blob on the end. That's pretty neat. It's definitely different. But I kind of like it anyway. I think it's done. So if you guys like what I do, my experiments, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate you watching longer. I want a little more of that here. There, it's odd colors, but I'm still liking it. Very much, in fact. I don't mind actually outlining some of my shapes either. Okay, that's kind of bizarre and kind of cool. And I used up all my time, and I have 2 minutes to tell you guys, I really appreciate you guys making donations to help keep the studio rolling and help me buy art supplies so I can continue to bring you more tutorials. And I don't know what the point is of a close-up, but if I wanted to continue with this, like I was just thinking it would be nice to put a gold line over through that black, I could. So could you. I'm just stretching this one line out. Anyway, so that's the end of that other painting, and the beginning of a new one. Do I want to do that twice? Yes, I do. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourself. Check on some of my 2200 videos, or ask me, because I have links to 2200 videos organized by topic and genre, and on playlists you can find by going to my YouTube channel and looking for playlists, all playlists. Oh, that looks pretty cool from here. It really does. Okay, let's go down in. There's only a little bit left of the original painting, but it's okay with me. It's very Deco Nouveau. Again. Don't know what it'll photograph like tomorrow when it's dry. But I don't mind the shapes. I'm not unhappy with that. I could still throw some dots of things in different places if I wanted to complicate it a little more. But right now I'm good with it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree below the video. My Amazon link is there, and if you shop there, I have 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and lots of stuff on 4 different lists, and my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which is awesome for spreading paint, and you've seen me use it. My community board is on my YouTube channel, and it should show you tomorrow's video. You can also ask questions about dry artworks. If I don't have one, I'll edit it and show it to you. If you have questions, please ask them. I'm all good with that. My paint pouring recipe is below Show More under the video. Also below Show More is possibly my link tree if I use tools, because there will be a tool creation tutorial video. That was a mouthful. And below that you'll find my email address to contact me if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, please. And if you're looking to take a class or a private lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, you can get information using my email address that way. It's EASPB, like my initials, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. On the link tree, also Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students. Please share my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really, really, really appreciate them. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Your donations are the only things keeping me here right now, really and truly. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for being here. Did I mention Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links? Well, they're on the link tree too. And